Here we've got the brand new Dynacord V series, and the first product in this series, the V600.4. This is kind of a simple multi-purpose amplifier. It's got a 600 watt power tank, so that means it has 600 watts in total on the power supply to share across 4 channels. Very flexible, just handles the power sharing natively as the demand comes across each channel. Every channel can run individually in 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 70 volt or 100 volt, so direct drive out of each channel. And a couple of basic high pass, low pass filters you can set through simple dip switches on the back of the amplifier. What's unique about this is our EcoRail technology. So there are some really great power savings technology built in where you can still drive the amp and drive speakers at a low level while keeping to an extremely low power consumption compared to a traditional power supply in an amplifier. So really fantastic amplifier here. A lot of applications in restaurants, hospitality, small areas where you might need a bunch of commercial EVA type of speakers, and yeah, lots of opportunity with this product.